they now see their life. A new way. Oh, he why? Any way, he
Hi lovers, hello guys, hello, I'm not saying everywhere good that been on a sister, on a girl, on a pikin. Now he call so, they say me saga don't finish it. Anyway now way, that's what they talk and they say, anyway now way. So why you see your daily bread? Oh look wow. So my people, today the message they go for that woman where abandon 5 children, where born 8 children, where never even make her, never even reason how many children we were born for life. You don't understand? I say I get mad, but only help me now to share my video and thumbs up my video. So we move. You know so where we move. A video indeed. I don't know why it's doing today. It's doing, but that video, so I want to play. I might analyze your video. You know understand? Because this is what we call data and analyzation lands, analyzation life. That we call the live. So yes. Welcome to my page. Welcome. Baby, I invite to account your attention. You didn't need that for my platform. If I thunder fire devil, destroy ye. You don't understand? So my people, now welcome. I beg sister where abandon 5 kids in Nigeria, please rush to my platform with the craze. Who you say? People, you say waiting. They mad. Thought that they fire your egg by the craze. Where they egg book where sister no marry Morokino. No they life with a Morokino way Germany. Can't you reason your life? The reason they laugh because the rest people is reason their life. Here ya zesuki de. Or better we have zesuki owe. He never reached the time where no ya zesuki. No we ye vevo of vevo. I be na shana to yegbe vera egbe me na call all generation come to me. Oi, you robot sisters and brothers. Why vati a de ware ya fe hula hore wagbon. Iagbe. Yes, my people. I bet invite more people. We just new start, you know. Now I music. Now our matter what arrange everything arrange. I saw it be. Okay, Vera. They can we are moon when do here. Or maybe second we have a few word here. Said you we general na yana do appreciate. What we feel word here. What's the monatama where? Where you bring on topic today, change the topic tomorrow so that you feel make life. When change the topic of we wamula dia, I better pass. Why I better passing ya? We vont we mujun we video no nania. It's 10 euro we vont. Make wa here. We vont ni have your Nigeria re. Ugma weti the 10 euro we vont. Ye beruka wa mwenjun yeto next year keve ya fo we vont na wa avec mwenjun ya analyzing. You say you get married to a mugu or ibo for Europe. You can't even you don't feel buy you my hair. What can all you say you my ya change you my hair. When ni married darky ni married blacky. Iya you my change you my ma who where. I see the video you did one Saturday. They say may they go see husband the backer. Oh, what deka yagwe. A lover so mudana. A lover se muguna. Wa me watch e vorela video ruwe ka order for salo boa. I mara odo no me moto ya jo we here. I decide ni ajo we here. Salo boa. Wa give agboko. Eri ya mwere regboto. Are you serious? Ukmanu gwe vio ye gbela dian ve social media ija me ya gwale ya nereki. Ero. Eve mi wa ukmona e maka no wa go vera. MF Virote Nigeria, you are not taking care of them. Then you still come and they say, these are abandoned children, these are abandoned children. Are you serious? Or my can wait a teacher will not cost no more. Because a side don't move, a side way. Yeah? A history, a battle life way, side don't move, what way. Agmoya fake ba way. If not be where those 3 children were there with you for year now. The day now Europe, the day say government is taking care of you and the Arabu you get married to. I swear, you for still abandon them. Who they abandon here? Nehuemu. No people are vera. No matter total no negbe. A video we mere do be ya be sis wa we the problem fu. Problem continue to the fire devil. To the destroy devil. Are you there? Are you there? You know what? A reasonable people that just leave you guys things where no one talk. It doesn't mean that you don't know what to say. A degbe a topic la wonu. A degbe ni ame wezi no keke ni do service social media. Abi me be a topic. Even na bavita. Ume! Why la den? He can't say, I can't say, he can't say. Where the tove? Ziglish ove. Because English we zenyagbe. It tire a lot of people. Speak another English. Speak ugba agboju we be hwe. Oh wa. Sister we about 5 children. Sister we about 5 children. For your man now say I leave you sister. You don't know say he say we are eluka asuore. Cause nene matter no we amu ade social media me maye mi ototo up to now na 2 years where I say I want bring the truth. Then they say where the truth. But I don't see the truth. I don't see the truth. I don't see when bloggers carry the truth come and say worry with the truth la dia. Walk book when he salo po wa we give yagboko mana need Nigeria sina. Forget you won't make e work bare. Mane Nigeria sina manze no pokpegbe man. Ma also ni no pokpegbe man. Unu we wa ya gi over one onu na enemy. All try by all means to use money and get it. All try by all means to get her. So that other person no go come out tomorrow to laugh him, say no get this one. Then now see come out with that the same math to say, why get him? Why you do this? Are you serious? How na life wanted better? How the life wanted better for this world where would they so? How miserable no go enter a lot of people destiny? How miserable no go enter their life? How they want to do am? Hey, oh wow! I bet my people, me not love forget to share my video. We are here. Let's do even 2 hours or 3 hours I give on today. Now so it be. Not be small. I see the video where it do. Be like say na mommy if you message to. So we go play that video. We are going to play it. You got me, my people? What's soon if you What's soon no? Where? Here where the problem for? If your body may show you the more you do your video, I go carry your video, I go can't tell you many places where that person where you message to. Many things where they better pass you. I go can't tell you. If you forget, me I will be the one to analyze your video well for you. Because you don't understand your video you did by yourself. It's like you don't understand. I will make you understand it. That's what it be. You got your voice.
Everybody. How my good people. The people now.
Hold on, guys. When I share the video.
Know who she be, who the kind of person when she be. At the end, now shame one killer and so 2 days ago, she not enter live. She they do it for the hiding up and down.
Hey.
Then we still start our normal matter, our normal topic. We continue. She called the who called the pursue and when Linus Suba the wrong. Nobody's pursuing Linus Suba. She can't begin the wrong hectare and scatter. Or Rulekian Nulela Wegbe. Urulekian Nulela Wegbe. Okay, now. You not coffee do anything again, and la you call the la. They say which truth are they fine. Meanwhile, all the truth are they fine. Many don't they come outside.
Yeah.
Now this one.
I remember how they post the many well.
Una go no na. When they don't hear you be say, or bio may have a webo, or dona etim you may ha.
Ije.
Or dona etim you go may ha. Now make a she day so everything a beer and my wet on your way because umwe buefi.
My dear people, una welcome. Oh, I greet all of una. Beg, love and like my page. Share my page for me, I beg. Today na today, Kwakbera na medicine. See, lovers, eh? If they pay me for some Nigerians, where be say they don't know where, they don't know what they pay them. They don't know how they want to become for their life. They can't even reason their life and tell them about their life, how their life today. How can somebody where your life they miserable for children's side? He go come and say one message to those where be say they even they see their children for face, they eat with pikin. They even they jiro with their children. I don't understand though. How this word want to settle, how the word want to good. The word can never good. Look at this best youth. We abandon 5 kids for Nigeria. Niyaga we shoroti now social media just for that children to not die. May they for live. Or even like the daughter where or my dear, you understand. You see, in this Germany where would they so? Germany where would they so, eh? A relationship that goes like this. Many children will be say they don't carry for this Germany. Not be because of children complain about their mother or that complain about their father for school. Now make them carry them. Some children they will be say husband and mama, husband and wife, they go they fight. As they fight, 2 of them, they go they fight and no peace, you know. If police come, those children, they know they carry, they give husband. They know they carry, they give wife. They go carry them. So children, some children sit there where be say they go there with only mother. Father go they drag the pikin with mama. Police go still collect some. They no go give 2 of them. Now for this Germany, everything they happen. I don't understand. You guys they talk say, if you abandon his children, I not see way for abandon his children. I never see when that poor girl abandon his children. Now the same children that they see for live video every blessed time where the woman go get he go get off. If the woman get off, he go see children. Eat with them. Spend the night with them. For the same home. One I see they talk now say the woman now say abandon children this you understand. The same woman, he and her husband be like brothers and sisters. They love themselves. Even if they sit there together, social media cannot know. You yourself will sit down. You don't go feel no. I pray I will they pray one day say, mommy vie go there, go spend the night, belle go enter. Wife and husband continue. Now be the prayer we are praying every day. Because the relationship is tight. No devil, no social media can stop that relationship. They no feel end them. They no feel scatter the relationship. Why you guys disturb you yourself? Why you no one message to if you live here where or abandon if you money no wa bieleni. Those fair boys, una they see them every blessed time. When that poor girl go get off for work, Only of 1 million or almost to 11 video. Oh, one on we but if you were do ya ta one like being on the social media, I may even hear one say. You abandon your 5 kids in Nigeria, then you are talking about kids that live in Europe? Are you serious? Are you serious? Ewa no joge, e me 5 ya gie we nana, atama we no ame money jege. Your bad now since how many years that they bring those children? This woman never called the children. He never called them. He can only call his sister. That his sister where they always call. He go say, go look them. That they okay. That they okay. How can you more than no go call 5 children? He abandoned the children. He agi mukbo sisi wote Nigeria. Agwalawo ji ave Boko Haram here in Nigeria. Amege umudana bie Boko Haram yote Nigeria. Just look at you. You talk according person where you better pass. Very meje meti do meti homa no masse me yeti do tagi maso awa because agmo here meme. Even the medio budget ne yeti do na because homa no masse me ne. Eruni me here na we. Nive here so Danny no nive here. That is why they say follow no road. If you follow no road, your way go they open for you. We mare morokino wote Germany, Arabu we marabu, ne government igba oge no ro. Your husband they change motto. Umeti poste a destiny that from where? Why do you not post the motto your husband is changing every week or every month or every 6 months? You could have been posting it. Or that for where I change the motor, when motor snap a snappy was snapper umati snappy motor must snap or the a morokine nene children who biele must snap here a destiny walk back on wamula down with social media. Fake you were in here. There's no written in your body. With one no mujuna. It's 10 euro with one. How dare you man? In Miami Natiene. I said they sell them. Me give it with voice of a man. Ya will have video where the man I go have ya with one yeke. If you're Latino beg, eh? Iga here no near. E we vote 10 euro. In Nigeria, 7 nerano. Who wa bagogo in Nigeria. 7 nera. Imevetia ero because again me have you in Nigeria 30 euro ya. Wa whatever. Or wa vun wa dokba. Or vun wo kuku. Wa yokba ya fiso kuku. Or wa vun. Wa deva vun. Where they life, nothing. What you let them were talking, parabolating for how many weeks? And then if you was in where other yes and we are that way. Where they clear because okay, we here ma. You know they see okay, Abby. Okay, here ma. Over kire. Kere unda. Kere azen no tiwo. Azen, esse ça no man who is that on the body or don't you feel you was there. Ovi unda. Mare morokino wag mo phone. More analyze your video. Now we know ya have you born wa makame. Do you know me? Wa amera me ugba bera ya afia for because e hianzo. We can mena. You don't need to call me crazy person. I be crazy girl, but if you write down for me, I go enter your Egbe family. I go enter your generation. I go follow back and comments. Now so it be. So ni me where the have your way itala walk back. What you want?
I tell my ancestors after I took for my life video in the evening. Somebody sent me something and she tell me about say these pit toilets they talk nonsense. You know. I don't want to be replying to them because me not saying a Linus Subashi they work for. As Linus Subashi pit toilets almost not all war. Even for the live video when they display this in the bag war, he talk for them say whether pit toilet na human being say not be pit toilet in the fight because pit toilet no more from my rights. So he don't get right to fight for pit, he don't get right to fight for pit toilet and pit toilet no as the one thing work out. It's disgraceful for them. This is the person when he come on social.
You see, even this video where they try to come change with your man, so I watched that video, but I don't watch and finish. You understand? Where that issue of record the come at that time. Now wait till the poor girl fit up because you don't understand. You understand? Even if you didn't hear where Monica talk to that time, if you didn't even understand Monica, she dey feel me. He understand Monica. But we are there. We are even understand. I'm gonna see for my people. You have a launa. At least we will be presenters, eh? More no go they bring this way. Don't fair die, but 2 months, 3 months, a year ago. Don't bring it to your social media. Talk waiting what happen next month. Talk waiting what happen next 2 months. If I want to happen next 3 months, a year coming, why can't you say it? You coming at bringing video where people don't fair watch. God damn. Video where people don't watch, where they don't even keep their comments. You bringing it again, make they can't keep another comment. Or man, you can keep a bad comment again. Or don't keep a good comment again. Na my beg agbona here to settle. Agbona here to for my people. Eligiligi reya. There's nothing that you guys will talk. Nothing. Even before if you love Monica, if you do one video once at a time, or we video, or when Monica on your car over here, no, I mean, one no make car over here, but when you see where you they play, they go, it they bad, I bet withdraw. That is why a lot of people they withdraw for problem. Iyanka so boy you again, or say what's the 10 years relationship in man scatter. Over here, every time video, okay. On a time, the reason why you need to love Monica. And nothing no here cause a problem here ever. Video ne Monica who no see and you may adore years see. Oh, we are here. You understand my people. You understand. What I'm going every life. And I go along not frustrated with Germany. This woman there among of who frustrated for Germany. I swear. Uje maro over Nigeria with Germany agbo mama we. Ama iwu yari Arabu, umari Arabu. Arabu ye wejowa. Wetu we mare o. Just fertilizing you, giving you belly. Bonny, all the name of government money. Nah, what is they stop? Why people they sick for head? Why people they sick for head? If you didn't message to now, if you didn't they walk, oh we now. Oh, we live video worrying winner. We Tony who were bed your worry. We Tony who were bed the worrying winner. Oh, we are king winner. Say, oh, gasonino, ya lawa. Oh, you will live video getting a king winner. You will be there washing. Tony. Man, the old you Ladia. Hey, you are working. Husband, I supposed to they work in a craze. I wish, as mommy view your day swear, that country swear. Na so Germany be. You for not the see say that they carry children for Germany here. Husband will no feel work. Fi carry the children give husband. Wife go get the strength to work. You don't understand? Even now, you they say, it may because e mon we yeve yata na we e mo gwerian. E di say mo yeti jinya every day. Oh, what bari winner? E de agbo iki winner re. Oh, ye ve e mo je ve tie mommy. Iya ye ve tie. E weekend o ya mi vian. O mi o ve live video no weekend na ya mi vian no na mi o ve live video. If you wevo e mo na happy we gba oge na use €1 20 cents ya donate rigo na vote Nigeria vo. If you were not one egbiyanwo, e mono maje sukunu bie level ranviri hotel Nigeria. We are them. Iya hioji yotedu. Iya hioji yote ya fe hotel Nigeria. Iya hioji oji lakbala oji ve moji ni mukpo sinoro. Woman we no get. Umato tanu enegboe. That is so fucking chise. That is rubbish. Oh, enegbe because they want to Germany nata o enegbe. Understand? Emi wabunu talove man. Ya segbe no ne kia eke wo kan etun yi. Imi awa give you many examples. Ija avialele. Let me play your record. The Chris, your video.
They
mad.
Grace you for this social media space. You claim to say now your sister live a baller like babe. You claim to say now your sister, now your this, now your that. But the day when you want disgrace to pee toilet, you don't see your life. You got they cry like a baby every day. Don't you?
My dear, do you know the meaning of Ivabo? Ivabo love like babe. Ever one year, a donate don year boring. Do you know the meaning of Ivabo? Ivabo we Ivabo ta Ivabo van la wani egbe. I know here la egbe. You understand? Ivabo we ora van ora ta ora giason all la egbe vera. Do you know the meaning of Ivabo? Wow, I beep you there.
Time for social media. Really, I don't really have your time as the boss lady on social media. You know, sometimes we need to see they give them injection when the be say.
Are we a boss lady?
And some of us say presenter when be say if there's.
Boss lady. What give a boss lady?
More people are free. They are free to day under Linus Upa. But as for me, I don't need it. I don't need that. Now they know what that they get for her. Okay, fine, they're fighting for her. Okay. But if you're about what they call it, pee toilet, maybe problem with you well now. I don't know why sometimes they know they mind your business. I didn't say you should not fight for Linus Uba.
Shut up! No when I be nanania. Don't work be nana. Who you they fight for? Who are you fighting for? As me at this one analyzation, I may take come. I'm not fighting for anybody. Analyzation, I may yare video no review. Ibuwe ade akpe video we. Itama we can not wrong. E can desi we not wrong. E can no one we message to the way that person take better pass you. I will come here to tell you I'm the one that holds my shine. Yes, e bonorevo medio no go. Iya gbale shine mene. Weti we mi rockba. You got me now? What a word.
Because a mere will lie Benny.
You don't make we like me.
When they fight for her, she can't disgrace her for public.
Don't make we like me. When me tell make we like me. While you react moko. Now this lady me say me tell make we like me with social media. Oh, who knock back and me we. Me tell make we like me. I me tell make we tell our work me. If you were not so loud, you have a live video. Or get away. What make me He abandoned him since some mother come to Europe. He abandoned them. But the same people, all of them begin to donate 20 cents, 1 euro. Alaga donate, leyo lere, donate oh wagi kwe amwe wala o warijobo. Anarijobo give you wa if you were in Nigeria. All tinana evane money yese. Ijo body ni area give you any. Evane money gi enjoy ige we bose. Oti na unwe mi ya. Ame we to akoli ya. Wa do boti o 20 no kwoni. Wa ibeti o we mi ya. You hear from there at the day but unwe mi we. That is so shiesty. That one no just clear. Where can you when go and bring your children. At least, no, when I want me and share my video for YouTube, give me thumbs up for YouTube. Give me thumbs up. If who can live video, my way you on live video now for YouTube, who can live video ni on the picture na muyo dao. At least, ya snap everywhere. Wa mo yo dawe video no riri au. Make people, the whole world, make they see where the children don't grow rich. Where you don't try rich. Adiya ye megbe o ye skeleton body ya ye me o. We should know. You not bringing your children to book, then you will come out and tell people, this. Who are you to speak? Who are you to call for public? Who are you to cough, madam? Who are you to speak? You don't have to cough. Not everybody is supposed to speak for public. Wa mwe truth iladian. Wa mwe truth iladian. Truth ni ma ye ko me ne esonu we mu iladian. I never see. But me wa even we ya zuo ever since. You are just zuo. Now break I go ferry and I don't come back from my ferry. We move. Saga continue. Ogun ogbo wa no understand. Saga continue be you. Wow, wa ko la hori.
Call la. Say no call me. Ye man tie me then make me na me at the end that play it on me. All of
Una remember when this girl start this problem? Una remember the months where this girl start this analyzing? Where say one breed truth come out. Na otieme ona do atawi mat o matinye ima matieme ni dogbi na niye. Oh why ye tasses there? Uma ye talk another English ye bay. You never speak another English. Who ye tie or why ye tie me? Unwe yezi what I say. If they call me, they call me. Now only that one you want to tell people. Now only that one you want to present to people. If they call me, he can't say no call me, I can't fight for him. When he me wajina no one can give me. Meti we la de when I want give me. But if you know say you are ready to mad with me, message to me, don't use it direct. Very major and me more where that is why I message to you instantly. If cannot take it, your gag be where you fair by. E boy de, it's so ekma, not in the soap. Ave mani mwere regboto. Wag me.
They're not shocked because they cry up and down. Now they cry, they say they cry, they go to today because they be say when she come outside, she can't bring me down.
Hey,
when
when
she
I
can't
cry,
bring me down, when she not when me test start social media, may she can't bring me down.
You know what they call cries?
To play record. Okay, to start.
Wait.
You know if you tell Linus Uba.
Do you know the meaning of cry? Do you know where they say somebody is crying? Now you, wait, no fit talk another thing. Ever since you open the gate, you come out for inside that gate, you forget to lock the gate. Your life never remain good. Your life is so fucking miserable. There is no another topic again that you will bring to live video that other people will listen to you. It's only, he called me, he can't say no call me. Now he send me, I can't fight for her. He can't say no send me. Now you go only they present. Now this kind one that they call somebody where they cry. You are crying. You are the one crying. Because the people you are messaging to, they are not crying. Every blessed day they collect their money. Before social media go bring the money every month, they must collect their money based on the handwork where they for their hand. Where is your handwork? You have no handwork. You carry only Bekus carry con Europe. You carry Toto con Europe. Con carry give who not be even Nigeria like you carry the Toto give now. You carry go give what is that they call Arabu? Arabu be one Arabu, a Moroccan Arabu noro. A Moroccan Arabu. Ave mi Arabu no ve man. Neme body odo. A Moroccan Arabu we madu weni ha. Or when we me Moroccan no biele, Moroccan children no biele. Show the whole world your husband. Now go leva ya fe no me fake life. Now you have a lot of fake life in this live video. Who fake igbe? Wogi fake se. We mi yani marebo. People we maro ibo. Iyo we mommy yo. Mommy Suzy. Ni waje mommy we wa ya gie. You know they see ah. Without beat so you dey see for a body. You dey see say yes. Not be darky this woman dey with for us. Now white man. You know the see when you deal with white man, you don't nah. Your own skin alone, people will love to lick you, even if you are not using cream to rub every day. You live with Oibo. Now you dead dull like this. Now you be like villager. You be like all those Idare that just enter Europe wish year. Idare we carry to talk come for Nigeria, can't carry give Arabu for Europe. Whenever life, you have no life, my dear. Go and look for life before you come and say you want to talk to people. People who already better pass you. Because before we come this earth, it already day for Bible where everybody they carry they go. Say, you don't have to jealous who better pass you. Don't they heavy of those who better pass you, where get and pass you. Stop to the heavy them. Because if you heavy them, you can never get it. Even if your mind is pure, but you can never get it because of that heaviness you have in your heart. Oh, no. Later, you can say they get some. Now you see come and say, where go got? You understand, my people? I be more plan because he talk many things. You understand? He talk many things. He cannot have a way. No matter kiane tuwa we no we are. Ya te ya fe. Irewana. I be share, love and like my video. God go bless you now. I don't come for saga. I don't come for analyzation things. You understand? We go analyze it. Analyzation. Let's start.
Peter, you know if you tell Linus Uba all the things where they ask her, make she bring her because she claims that she be social media police. Now she get her to talk everything on video. Because your own sit there your body. When small boys they used to they do a year for social media. If who every day nice tell us they put you hands down for here, woman like you hands down. These people let's no.
Oh my me agbobeta we still. It's still have still so where this social media. We don't work away musician. We don't work away a DJ. Let's face that DJ because get face say es your where they. We still say agbivier. Me mami ke ne still na igbivier if na do amoa iwe la video no. Be upon no the talk we still let's talk. But Vienivier still love her. He still love Stainless. And if Vienivier a very good woman, we be say forget say he don't sit with me and a talk ratio. Bet na better woman. I remember when I call her last. Nasa, this one where Stainless they do this video, so me not understand. He say me I just leave them. Everybody, maybe they look for viewers. Me, I leave her. I say, Mama, no. He said, me, I leave her. But if me and Stainless, they talk about very good. We all know what we are looking for in this social media. They're not the quarrel. If you love Stainless, Stainless love if viewers, your ma agwa le viewers, ona do agwa lo ma no ogugwa, ne viewers ana pakiri. Oviere we DJ nani, I mean no ya wash no any of na way they share. No any of na way they love one, they like the DJ way they do. Now when he go come out, hey, if you come oh, hey, Eddie Murphy come oh, hey, Monica come oh, now na carry the share. You understand? You don't have to say Stainless come beat if you no any of them beat each other. No me work beero. I work be ne. If we may not want to davere. Again, no white ne video me ya go viral. No ma bully me ro, you know. But any call we come from any presenters like this, we all understand ourselves. Now the witches where they say, I no one understand. Wait till we can find for social media. Now say, again, Stainless yak with Vienivier, me mammy if you do lot of live video, and I do so, Stainless is in your bow, Stainless and no! A lot of you guys carried the video, talking here at that time, that period. Do you understand? Where you laugh away, miserable, when Mudiake making way deji. As soon as you know. I bet me not share my video, my people.
A message because you don't get choice. Who make choice? Beggar have no choice. Now should be. Since you are beggar have no choice, me and you we are not the same category. Me and you, me we are.
I don't understand this girl. They say beggar have no choice. Do you know the meaning of beggar? You're making a parable that you don't even know the meaning of the parable you are making. Who we are teaching? Also, no what the man go when you end up with a Morocchino because you are not teaching good. You know they teach good. Amadu we good guana is working no. It they work. Oma depend you get social media. It they hit the money every month. I give na go when na rabumu yo when the government sigba okay. Nah, why people forget their sense for the school where they go? Why? Me no my DJ school na like ya de baby ya de agbon ware awe. Ma sha de aje suku because ya ni je suku ware ariana na. Ya fe biboa. Iya meti luerere ya forget erere ya je suku. Inwina ya we ya de agbon ware awe wa agboko. I je suku. Very well like social media nana. A topic nana. Very why like social media mo hia ye we de gbe we gbon to bo me. Agogo le destiny ya ma me. Imagine. Awe we no time gogo ari enu e. Eri owa no. We move.
Let us don't shit for church. Don't use Bible to clean us.
Yeah.
She's now running hater and scatter. She's now running hater and scatter everywhere she go. All the lenya woo laying like be. Meanwhile, she's not supposed to run. Based on she don't shit for church, she don't use Bible to clean us. Eba bohena la we be e fieroba. E pito let na di mufi munue.
You know the meaning of person don't shit for church. He use Bible to clean us. Anona dwarule egbagbon magi yoho ori me boom egba ma vu gwe no ni ya wo mu mata la dia wo mu mata na mu ego duhu. You say you must breathe the truth, you must do this ever since you not speak another English. Now speak the same English Anahin. Now the same English boy if you have a video now the same English when you first speak long time, now you see they speak so. Hey, saloboa. If you agmon ligi, why agree my people? Need to give a message now.
Because I dey imagine why all those people when they say they don't get shame. You get three picking for Europe. They went bonoko when pe woman they hope picking.
I better wait so guys. When I wait. Problem don't tell now. Person will come in a very important message. Imagine. We are the brave. This is not life. Really? You will not get life. No life. What you will laxia? What go? I beg. We calling ya calling eh. We are the brave. Where mudiani me call you where na huwe ne. I bet what would my people. No, wait to beg. Is a low ball picking. No. No, I'm using the phone, that's why. So, what's up? I be... Where you there? But I tried to call you for WhatsApp, but the number is not going. Where you there? Jesus. For my side? Na network. Oh my God. Oh God. But if you see those people tomorrow, if you come, your social, come before you go work now. Yeah, but you go come before you go now. So, oh, she like home. Oh, may I call you later? Yeah, may I through for what I did do? I call you later, okay? Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Boo boo boo. Look what day. So, my people. Now welcome. And I know first one major. My cup they important now. Okay.
Your owner.
Wait.
Gas to be say now your man collect am.
Me I no vex my people, I beg. Me na pardon me, okay? Call that call dey important. Me I no go abandon person for train station or that for anywhere. That is why I pick the call, okay?
Where?
Oh.
Me and you na disappoint me if na you get belle born. Get belle born whether the Austrian government.
Mudiao, away. I de me and you na the same. I know the same you want use yourself take compare for this social media. Vera, who do you want to use yourself and compare in this social media? Who? I never see who you want use yourself to compare for this social media. You think that to born thousands of children, now they give life, now they hey, don't born no. We want 8 children. No good life for those children. No good life. Those children don't have a good life. They have miserable life just the way their mother is so fucking miserable. Are you serious? No beer. Okay, no many may say. No beer le bae. Hiviak boko. I went to bed there beer na we no beer. You walking on a gun on my beer on now. Say we no ya beer. You live a gun then we no born. You they tell already born. May go reborn. You they crazy. You know they okay. Cause when we change this way the bear nobody knows. Cause we're ready we are beer 100 children yagbona we kefinyawu. Our beer you know what beer ya fair you say. Who beer ye mi teve way. Or dameko. Hell. Oh Jack beats yours. Hey. Ragmon.
Because they don't test you. They don't look and say you are not okay.
Yeah.
Or may I not be they cannot they give the man. You are not working paying the man. Meanwhile, I'm not supposed to be work pay woman waiting to take out the kid. You see, woman to wear who?
Awe. Wagi o wana we atie we. Wagi o wana because why o why? Awe money na awe de money. You know they go see those children. As you they talk so, I go believe you. Which you guys will see they watch everybody for social media. Una not the same way this woman go day off for work. He go see children. As una they tell and say may write down. I go they join and they tell and say write down. But right now, the woman they see children. And if they walk. You know the meaning of I'm walking? Before woman go get freedom to walk, it hard though. A mother for Europe. It hard. The life where that woman is living, I so much love it. He no stay, say, let husband go work. Any money will give me every month, I go manage her. But it's time to work. I so much love that. A lot of men there for prison for Germany here. Not because of na children money carry they enter prison. Not because of pikin na carry they enter prison. Because of husband is working. And you are not paying the wife you say you get married to. Because when you have a relationship in this Germany, you are living together. If that man is working, the wife belongs to a husband. It doesn't belong to government again. His wife go belongs to a husband. He no go belongs to government property again. They can only assist you for the small money where they give you because of the children welfare. This Germany where would they so she self where they taught so she know na she know even before she come a craze like this so how much the Oibo they give her every month? Me na ask her. The Oibo is not giving this woman a dime. But the law for Germany, where you are living together with a man you have baby with, or that you are living together with your relationship. Because I can't even call you guys a marito because we are never married. When you are doing living together for you, and government known as a living together, once the man is working, his wife belongs to his husband. It doesn't belong to government again. One only gonna that for every account every month. The Arabu is not paying a dime for this best yield. He just the short pound show free. The short pound show free. And you go the price say I don't born no one don't put money for your head out of 8 children. No reasonable husband out of 8 children. You are still staying with Arabu. And I believe for my man, say you don't go spend your life with that Rabunia. You must still go find another love one day. And it go make people count how many children where you get before you go die. It go only pay me if you give birth to 50 children. And you all give birth to them, put them for this life. This miserable life. No good life for them. You they tell now, may if you go born join children. I don't understand. Me if you go born join children. Eva be ha no wa meninia. Wa we was no na mo Eva no many. Una say why he get them. Now so he not there with okay, that's where he go get thousands of children. Now call the talk say he get them why he not there with them. I don't understand some people. You teaching or not that I don't understand. You wait till you break come math last month. You go come after when the months don't end, after 2 months after. Then you come. Cause they bring the same matter. It's like you are so fucking miserable. You don't have anything to say. You are so fucking useless that now you can't even worse pass for social media. You worst. A problem Arabu you know where oh where do you teach him with social media? Arabu we fire no wuga do teach him with social media. Or you we have a finyawu. Arabu have a buwe. I can't mean Arabu bene Italy. We walking away jumu live o Germany na. We are have a day because no good life. You have no good life. You have no good life. A problem we're making in Arabuni is not taking it likely. You're bad before this woman go open in live video. If the Arabu be the sleep before, he go you wake up, go outside, go relax in way the woman go craze finish. Because Arabu ri oibo, they no go there, may wife, you they may whoa. Ri oibo don't do that. I have a white man over 5 years now. If I go to my white man, if I met him where silent. Because when my phone they ring now, whoa, and it must disturb him. I don't need anything we go disturb him. If you do Ibo as or Ibo go they play music, we're not here in Nigeria, and as most more you go they hear that music. Or Ibo go tell you say it don't lad rich now so that they play and rich. Because they don't want to disturb the neighbor for up and the neighbor where they down. Una never live for some house. Even though na Italy, you go live for some house where be say some people go dead down, they go they resist. Some go they up, you go they resist. If you they play music, they knock something, hey, you are disturbing. Some go even call police. Now so Jama Ibo they live their life. They don't need whoa. You staying with Arabu go give you problem, you carry on social media. Anything where Arabu give you, carry on social media. Are you serious? 8 children, my sister. 8 children. Out of 8 children, he never stop. Or my hospital na no yari family planning. Or my hospital no yari just 10 years. He just 15 years. He never go now. Now when the belly go enter. Now he go come and say na mistake. This one sit enter because all the 8 children will give birth to. All of them are mistake. All of them are mistake. 8 children will give birth to. All of them are mistake. What's a word? I don't make the voice for that. I be like say they fight. I know they come on.
Una dey say so my people. Now she call they come on now they get mad they talk. Now you want talk about that bed. He toilet the way moon when I'm you ain't supposed to be hide your face in shame.
Yeah, I don't understand though. Who you say they hide here for shame? Now you're supposed to they hide your head. Hide your destiny. Because when we're genania, a story of man wayeta messes, Tammy Vienivius is there wayetanya. All the made day, better way or was surrender way. 8 children you give birth to, no good life. And you never even you can even pregnant tomorrow, next tomorrow. Upa morgan, you can even pregnant. You have no good life. Your life is so fucking miserable. I don't understand. What is that way? Yeah, you're supposed to have what they call shame. Are you not ashamed? Avielele is ashamed of herself. Yeah. That is why they go ferry. If I go ferry, I'll come back for ferry. Because it's good to go ferry. Oh, look, wow. Share my video, my people. We move.
When this your mama come on social media, can't disgrace you. Say you be ashamed, you be this, you be that. At the end, because it also you not tell her the truth, they make it come beat you for her side. Meanwhile, why she not fair come call you, may he ask you better question before you go come outside and call the man. Now your blessings and your blessings, but now this social media.
Wa bipwa kokopiri wife. Ijope kokopiri wife wewehi cause morokino weweri or you we never marry.
Lenu subako finish you ona boyasa. Lenu suba finish and Lenu suba no luba peso. If they just still give her money because she don't get as far you give Lenu suba money.
Like you say they beat him, he do this, my dear. But you know, see, say if you come out, he can't retaliate. You know, see, say if you come out, he can't call some back. No, because if you don't even if you still learn something from that video. He learned something from that video. That is why the video end like that. No analyzing. If you know, you know if you say the video vex me like this, now I can come and you understand? Now you now can go keep the video. Oh, where you downloaded the video, keep it. Because what not download the video. A video not better than a 1990 beginning. We have a bloggers. It go take you how many days before you see her for bloggers. Eh, some idiot, some presenters they download that they keep for their phone. Hey God, when I download my own, hey, download them.
Papa wala sashi we wa di go ne the rest live and go.
Ma bege nani ya?
The rest
okwe papa wala. I remember when you they swear for people where they always mention papa wala ne. I remember when you they swear for them. And they say papa wala na oh wewe mwadi la video we. Ane bo awon wari oboye bonu wave onye mi no dimewona. You bring in only one topic to live video and you believe on that topic. Come and swear for the native daughter. You will not swear. You say, now so this one talk am, not be me fe talk am, now this one talk am. Why always bringing that man on Facebook? Why make sure Papa Wala name on Facebook? Why? Eh? But my people, I get very, I get very. Eru wala presenter, okbenu wake pokpo viere, doya akbitan wa mwe bogbo wan, amona gbo wan na kagbe, eh? It's time for you guys to leave that man alone, no. Was obovekun, was a man yo bovekun. When atamu wa listen, eh? Una no go ever listen. Una we be say, the man don't even say thank you for fighting for me. Una come back again, begin they beat the man for nah. I don't understand una really. You understand in Nigeria. Nigeria. Agwa.
She go do her ass down. In fact, she go put Maggie and salt. They talk about her. She don't know say you be her sister. So she don't know say you be her sister. Thank you, I welcome my lady. She don't know say you be her sister. When you run, come outside. When she don't come outside, they disgrace you. When we say every day now, you still let's say they do your comment for social media. Me, I'm still far better.
Where is it, boy? It's Yahweh comedian. It's Yahweh no.
They give man. Make it they take up. They don't even feel.
It's Yahweh comedian. August Celeste me Yahweh comedian. Where Celeste ni ataye live video me. Egeni gele yari ye phone no ba ven ladian. Celeste ozegi megiri ye phone no ba ladian ve live video. Celeste osie. Yi megi ta we ni ado a contribute ye live video me. Where me tell me kwe ne wani bundu atawe or sunu da Celeste vegeri. Do you know many things where they Celeste body? Where people they talk for live video. Then they call me, they tell me about Celeste. Yare la vida ga tie, Celeste yago gwan, Celeste yago obeto kwa, magi tie ve dokba. E video no uni, imeve no ya soda, o da fe Celeste ye. Imeve no ya so we, riviere, o bi riviere, o wa sende ge riviere. Stainless have to call me. Bevinye we video call sani me we morokino me muge what ekokobiri me gwewowa me matie Stainless matie Stainless itieve o we eri vinye dati nye fona wege video ni meu or ma do atinye ni merie phone no bomb one line. How dare you telling me I should bring the woman number? Every phone number the woman ya see where the real life video the woman na watie the live video. Where na ya tie the live video na. Ere the woman ya tie near the woman na re igi the live video na near the woman na ro toto after any near the woman na ro toto. Na tameseles Ari live video ni wototo. You go see the woman name, the Facebook name for down of my name. Oh Magijo, a video ni why ya drop a video ni why I want my dear sister yet drop or second or that from where you know me and your me droppy deg buhu. Now all of us say move on that time. Now I got tell her say no worry. As it be say you get many enemy for that side. Igi yari for no bameje in live video me. Yari no badge when you contribute. Igi he may need they contribute. Una go still remember when I do video. Why I tell na say me I no vessel. I no need do one they contribute for my live video again. Now because of Stainless, I did that thing because I love one. He tried by all means to make that person happy. Everyone buno not see the live video me. A lot of people, they plenty. But I me decide I not go ever pull for number there again. You understand? Ota way, it is Celestia, and the Celestia uni now because of the viewers who want run come off leave them. And all the viewers of Stainless, me I not do that girl like that. Omaka we saga, 1K view, 200K view, oga wash oswema omwema gmoe mudianenia. Oswema we not here dead mena mudiakeme. Oswema gmoe nenia. Ema gmoe oswene omwema gmoe mudiane. He want to become overnight DJ. Wario bojo yeki. Fancy wa no hia very obojo yeki no hia ya come to that prayer where he pray to himself we go come true to ram. Now na go see point for his back. But if you na go abandon nam, na there he go come out. He go say he want call the message we not supposed to message. That time why yaru lemu 1K or ware 30 minutes or wajena 1K view nene view. Ege no viere ya ni do one most ye na hina. No na do I use it is Celestia wanana it is Celestia wanana. We have a love Celestia are a good life in it. Cause ege no ya need day life one hina. The time need do na most na be this. Not be where you go they do it DJ work na. All of na go run. If you reach the page now, person wait 1K be they wash. Or run pok bagi wash Only adegi yeke. Adegi yeke nihi. Imagine.
If you want rock by the wall, abroad. Nana me Western world do na koko mo ijo mo give your mom me. Oh we
Ije.
Kolo we bi kolo lele ya yan you.
Ije. Who wait for abroad. Western world. Nijo mo na koko mo o give your mom me. E vero we mwere regboto a. You are giving a parable where you know say the parable evil he surround you. Vera. A Western world. If you is walking. Who be this? Cut your nah. You know, if Yenivia is walking, that Western world where you they talk so now you they inside the Western world. Western world where children that supposed to carry children, give them good life. Oh, you know, give them good life. That Western world so. Woman no abandon 5 children in Nigeria. Uri a good life in here. Then we marry Morokino ninia. Okay, woke ni vie. If we go where you so wote Nigeria, ya fe amu wege the webo. Ya fe amu wege. Who not even there with Daki? Who not there with husband? Who not there with boyfriend? Who not there with Morokino? Even ya ye gbo we yoto wote Nigeria. Ya ye mu wege. Ami vi we. 5 children no abandon your tedo. Ige Morokino ivere marry you one day. Are you okay? You giving example for what you don't even know what I don't understand. Hey God. Hey call nine. I no vessel. I no vessel. Vera ya have your anyway. Ya have your anyway, Mudia Kevin. Mudia. Because they call now what they important. Egboku. We will tell you my people share my video. Imagine. Wagwan hear gwa. Still they give life. Western world where mother supposed to carry children. Where you abandon your kids in Nigeria. Hello? Yeah, I did live video, that's why. Might call you back, okay? Oh, where? Okay. The back, okay? Do you understand? He call Vera. He call her when I was say for money message na. I finish a message when did? I finish it.
Don't come no waiting they do you again. Now me you walk up you tell my house. Whether they call that man, whether not teacher, whether they call her. If vandalize it for your man, bed, vandalize. Now so another one again. Whether they call now, keke. Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed?
My dear people, a dirty. If you walk keke dirty. Ateve dirty gay. Ateve dirty. Where you are no longer with your husband, you can't date, but not be the poor girl starter. A relationship a date met in a keke viviega ameni a video na wave scatter. Warrior relationship pe keke vivie warrior ewa. E dese warrior relationship in ewa. The two of them move on with their life. Organ wana dek be ya tie ni okeke la dia we la video me may understand. Erie okeke ka wana ekweve mu we. We ya make a we. Ege ni ya fertilize we. E mon we biele na ade missy blood you know. Nobody knows. You don't even snap the picture. You know they bring the comment for live video. Over TV bioviebo. Emi na ya so bobono. Ma begi ya jo woseme no bio me vani ivie boeva ileke mona eme bogbe iya wa lega me I too much go love them and any of my video where they show Jesus I they go watch the video how many times I say oh see my children because mo wa hwe yan ame wu we no wa bio me ha nebo iya wa me fa he iya wa mo se mo avian la dia live video. Make people no know say whether na Daki pikin you give birth to. Or don't we go na up till now. A my voice okay. All speak a doshi. Who that don't speak way. Nobody know a voice. Nobody they hear a voice. We a weekend every nebo wewe muwela zen why we shopping. Ave mia igwe boro ki make ibive ni maya we shopping. You deal with Oivo. Because now Ivo you deal with. Ebo, Oivoro. Wa bibio de. Emia wudu oha rajwewe. Wa deoga vera. Wa gbeo vera. Because umawe negboe. Umatota nuwe negboe. Reason your life vera. Now you can't de miserable pass out of all the presenters for social media. You are so fucking miserable. Thanks to that your useless sister no wa mrak bekusi no we chest no mari yeti chest o mana rak bekusi ladian e yeti chest oni no hian grand jo sp no ma ti bie nu mwi ya fe mono keke no biele u biele ya fe ba wo oni he bring all your history, all your life history. When ya fe ya o we bezieke, when we are mwekoni ye, when ya o we said that they was fucking you for Ezekiel, any area, any corner. Now they for the fuck you that time. Imagine when he stray while with social media, ahian gberai na say we no gberai na reason no done na be just be the thing. Because if Percy face you, I swear 1 year you go run scatter for social media, you go run mad for social media. Even about it, sir.
There is a bear with the same feather flows together.
Yeah.
There is also this line of super and this
the enemy flows together. What I'm going to make example. Ne ya make a parable. Yes. Una we love and we see go the wash. I beg, me na share my video. Me na go may meet those people who love this lady. The lovers of this lady. May they go tell and say, if you want to talk on live video, you should not make anything parable. Because all the parable way they make, ya fe lega e. It be like shirt where we can't present to una. Your acts now they make parable they give una. Because you don't even know the things when they talk. You don't know.
Robber. They be really the same. Because that one, Linus will buy the husband and they vandalize up pattern. Even they get girlfriend when they do tiri bosa. Now so this one, when you don't get shit for when you come and say, now so that one still be. When you sit there with the old man, when she still there with 20 buffalo. Now so they use the husband pet they do.
Ija mudia. All those one where you can't they change, they talk. Many of una will be presenters. Una don't carry or keke matter, change them with una mat. Ke no sunu we viere na ro, ke no viere no masuno all of una. But he can't pay me saying, you don't quick or keke stop to the do live video. Before una start to the craze like this. The time where keke be or keke, the time where keke they do live video. If Okeke message you, you can never remain the same. If Okeke beat you for live video, you no go remain the same. You go defend people that matters where go help you back Okeke. I have a friend there. All one I have a friend. You don't understand? But okay, social media na me na me we what friendly. I know where we were good friend. Are you the one that give back to me? What movie I tell we boy? What are you laughing me? I'm not a baby. It's all one of friends in there. I can decide to date 10 men. Once I go to date 10 men. When the time reach for me to realize I want marry, I fit use only one for his side. So I want to spend the rest of my life with this one. The rest go find their life. But you know, not be you or can't tell me the way I want to live my life. A friend, the Omanaka friend, they just like my ex-boyfriend. Now so you the talker. This is my ex. It's good to have ex. You can't be young girl. You just start. You just this virgin. As a young this virgin, you just begin the bon. You just there for husbands. You no get ex. You get it deal. They go ask you question, where? Too much question. You must get S. That is why they say S. My past can never come to hurt me because I believe on myself. I remember the video where Mommy Vie do. You see, tell una say. Because that video, me myself, I still do that video. Me not saying the video for that side. You see, tell now say, if mother were born with husband like this, husband and wife can't get issue. Uda mama and papa picking papa and mother, they can't get issue. And they say the relationship no go ever get again. they have to reconcile because of the children they have together. They have to reconcile like brothers and sisters, even if they are not love again. I collect that words. I collect that topic from Omivie the day he did that video. Even this okeke one at the top, whether he see he and Nasi they write or they write each other. No man, if you play where you are dating me, and we are no longer together again, even when you want to get married, I may be the first person that will come in your marriage. What you know expect now go do for you for your own marriage. That is why they see S. Where is here? Those that fuck you according to your sister. Or waiting where do you know have? Where is? See when you give we are them. Ufili yankwa. Ore warabu gino. Wa de wu. Ok we anu we phone we me 5 children and is your hers. The man you abandon 5 children for. Now your S. Your S-husband. S-baby father. You abandon your 5 children for. Now you they talk. Now you want to talk about person where get see that grace. You know well, this girl no way, this sick. You know well.
They use husband bed.
He get where I want to listen to her beg. Again, I don't
know how this. Maybe that one.
Again, I was zoo really.
Share this video, guys, because now what she did do? Now it be that she won't call you driving. Since how many months? You know, she not drive.
Okay. Now una say Monica, you know, feel learn driving license. You know, get driving license. Why test a very only way for how many years now? Or any driving license? Oh no, ya di moto no da phone. Hey. But we all know say driving license is hard for this European. It not be like Nigeria where your friend person will go teach you how to drive, go use money to do the license. You understand? For Europe here, you go even pay the 3,000 euro, that 2005, that 2006. You don't go pass the exam. Igo ni ogbe. Ou degbe ya gwali gove 3,000 euro. Ou degbe ya gbezam move. Ou manati passe. The money will just go just like that. Oh, what will be a driving license? Later, I do have a driving license. Here can don't say your Here can don't say congratulations to you because people thought that you would not reach this stage. They thought that you will not reach this stage. That is why it's good to laugh person. It's good may you laugh person for waiting person no get. Use that laugh so that the person go walk where he go walk where to get it. You don't understand? Here can I don't say a big congrats to you because of my easy. Now you are driving. I just give you before this year ending. In fact, January, if they come for church, you be like, say, now you go drive the motor car now. I believe you, Mama G, because when we are driving, open we clear for there. Ogbo and no man understand. Ogbo and no man understand. Ijo, here we be driving license. Here we be motor. Here we the motor not done. Moto. Later, now you are driving. Before you know, now 2 motor will come there your compound. Husband go get you. You yourself go get you. Mama G, Claro for you. Claro for you. I like your God. You don't understand? Oh, see any vera gay. Oh, ladies driving where Monica they drive so Now it go make you keep quiet. Shut up, Vera. Now it go make you quiet because according to the analysis where you say you want to bring onto social media, and we got to with that analyzation where driving license, oh driving license there. Monica, it do me driving license now. We may only get no egbe. I remember when the woman said don't fair the exam, me no pass. But he go yag me exam ni. He get talk be. E Deutschland na me eti imio we 3,000 euro ni eti ya motenwe la wa. E to lo to o wa lo duhun la wa. 3,000 euro ni mi ya agbe e denemi ya imare ne yeti di moto no da fun ya ro da wi moto. Ya se Nigeria ya he ya relax in Nigeria he yeti we driving license in Nigeria. Oga we bo iwe gbo. Iwe we no wo hebo no da for when I was changing motor every 6 months, every 5 months no da for changing motor. Oh we kan we ya here. Ami we aro da we motor. Ami we aro da we motor. Oh we kan o ya pepilo. Wari train station o ekeke nuriri ari e o we kan no do anu we ta wo me document go me driving license. Oni we ate again. We no we are no matter can after many years on a domain they driving license. Congratulations, driving license. Not be to get the driving license and keep it inside room. After all, the passport ni we have who ga yan view you wake up body yan collect government. You wake up body they are collecting government money. Do you know the meaning of I get driving license for Germany? Driving license, you can work the work of 2,000, 3,000, close to 5,000 euro because of that driving license. But a lot of people who have that driving license, you wake up board because a cupboard in wear now. A cupboard in wedge. And then start no zua for how many years? Driving license or ye care that from where you bolo. Driving license cannot bring your husband dick to the size where if do no never. Driving license cannot help your husband penis. He no go fit cure the sickness where they your bekus. Never. You have it that driving license, you can go buy motor. Who got the driver? Are you the driver? Or wife go be like husband go be like wife. Oh God. God. Yeah, when you with video now, I'm so fucking best now. The best. You know understand? Imagine. My people we can do everything. They don't want me to do this video. It's so painful. Seriously. It's so painful. And it's so painful. Really. Imagine the community, my people. Agbona ligi. Agboligi. Ikonona. Hello. West now. Na boss you use. And if you feel enter inside the train station, you go know your road again. Where you can't say now?